Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be trying to draw poses for the first time. This picture I got from
Pinterest, and it's really good for, I guess, poses and anatomy. It shows chest, knees, and everything, glutes, hams, calves, tricep, bicep, everything. So I'll first draw this without any initial study for the poses. I haven't studied poses like even from a video or anything, and then we'll draw these by after studying the video. So first will be before study and after study, as you can. So let's get started. First will be this uh, front kind of pose, 3/4 or 5/6 pose. Let's see. I'm trying these poses because a lot of concept artists and everyone requires nice pose study. For the higher pose people. So first, I think I'll divide like this, like they have done, so I get my proportions right. Yeah, this helps a lot. Okay, then here comes our torso. It's looking this way, right? Let's simplify the circle. Okay, there goes the neck. There goes the chest. I really think I should do a study first, but I'm just giving it one go to see if any. What all should I take up from the study? I should definitely take up how to map these things. Okay, so the knees are here. This would be the pelvis. We connect our. This comes first, I guess. So whenever someone, a novice like me, proposes, try to draw them. We try to make things look as it is in the picture or the reference we have, which we should not, because art is not just making things perfect. It's a process. It's like life. We get success only through failure and learn. We should not try to make things perfect from the get-go. It's more like a podcast I'm doing, just saying whatever the hell I want to. I will be doing the Naruto poses soon because the guy, this girl Iman asking me for it. So don't worry, I will. I'm just not that good at poses. I am studying for that, and also to apply for some kind of a job. Boys. Okay. See, no, I didn't have to make these because I saw this. But yeah, I didn't have to make that because I saw that, I'm trying to make that. I should not. Okay, for the arms, this would be one. This would be the second. There goes the bicep. The forearm is bigger than it's too big now. The thing. See, now I don't understand a few things. Something's not right. So the chest goes this way, the abs are here, so the shoulder comes here, the arm. Okay, the angle is too. I'm making like this. I should make it like this. The angle is this for the bicep, and then the forearm is more like this. Yeah. Then goes a and whatever. For this one, oh my god, there goes a tricep and the bicep. Then we make the forearm. Now the forearm in the wrist. Then we go for the let's make this for the head. Now I'm confident with the heads, at least. I've been making heads for a long time, so heads were never a problem. The circles are still a problem, but we'll get over it one thing at a time. So it's coming close to the eye. Okay, so the head looks fine. I mean, for the rough sketch. Then we go for the chest. Yeah, these are the lats. So, yeah. Going to the gym allows you to know body parts very well, I guess. Let's clean this up. Okay. Yeah. So the chest comes in, and yeah, you don't really. That's where we should. Yeah. There we go. Okay. There goes our obliques. Okay. Okay. Whatever this is. Okay, the abs, sorry. Let's shade this part of it. Okay, shade this. This as well. This allows us to understand this density, height, weight of whatever we made. Well, first I forgot about the legs. Okay. So now this part is coming in, clothing here near the thigh, hip flexors. This is the hip flexor. Okay, so okay, it's not. If we make it patiently, I don't think it's that hard. Okay, there we go with the pelvis. Glutes are adductors and abductors. Okay, this area, something. Yeah. Okay, I don't like the thigh curve for some reason. What's wrong with the thigh? There is something wrong with it. I always like to paint first, like sketch on my own and then take a lesson for whatever I want. So I understand. First I give it a go, like without anyone telling me like this is how you should do it. So I know what my issues are. If you go in without even trying first, then it's like you don't even want yourself to figure it out first. That's an issue, I guess. Everything we do, we should move and then seek for help. This is too big. The cars are bigger, really big. This too. Okay, yeah. Raise these. Okay, good. Now for this thing, the knee gap, make these. Okay, I guess all that's left is the shading now. Came out pretty good, I guess. I mean, for someone who haven't taken the tutorial first. I've seen the tutorials, they make boxes first, and then I think that's a really good idea. Making the boxes. I mean, making as much guidelines as you need to get things right. And I think that's how we should approach art. Make it as easy as you can for yourself, so you don't make a mistake. Go. To be honest, I don't think it's bad at all. It looks pretty good. Fun. I mean, this one is like. I mean, it's not. Yeah, the fingers are not really. I don't think fingers look good at all, but we can take. I mean, I will take a tutorial for sure, but I'm just really liking what I see right now. Okay.
Okay, this doesn't look bad at all. Okay, okay. Let's see what happens after the tutorial.
Hey guys, so 30 minutes after the first one, where's the first one? Wait. I had watched two tutorials. One was from Anime Charlie, and then the second one was Draw Like Sir. And they pretty much told me the same thing. Now let's just see if I can make. What the hell is this? This is a mistake. This one is too big. Now I can't change it. Okay, so let's see what happens now. So what they basically said was to think of everything as 3D, use boxes, which I already know, using boxes, but I didn't use boxes for some reason, so we'll be using boxes and 3D shapes. And this is a cylinder, which will let's just use boxes first, and maybe we can use add some details into the boxes. So we're just making our work easier for the later stages. And then the torso. Now we make the legs, which are cylindrical. Legs can go a bit inside. Now we have the knee here. And then we have diamond shape for the calves. Is to add the muscle, calf muscle. Now comes our shoulder. Shoulders are supposed to be triangle. Okay, your triangle makes sense because it will join in with the chest. And then a cylinder for the bicep. Then a triangle for the forearm. The forearm has to be bigger than the bicep, right?
Okay, so this would be the the basic thing. Now we work on the finishing.
Yes, so I reduced the opacity a bit. Let's start with the torso. That's what Draw Like a Sir told us. Then goes our chest. Now we move for the obliques and the lat. The lat is a bit bulky. So let's make that first. Okay, there comes our oblique.
So this one is done. Hmm. The one thing I felt was this one was too easy to draw. For some reason, I felt ease at drawing. Let's compare. Hmm.
Hmm. Let's study this. So the neck is better here. The chest is somewhat better here. I love the forearms here. Bicep and the tricep came up pretty good here, but maybe because this is a bit differently drawn than this. This is more of a transformer thing than this. The legs, the right one here, and get the legs here. Knees would be here as well. To be honest, this looks much cleaner than this one. I could make this clean too, but the proportion of the head to the torso is much better here than here. So I do like this one more. I won't say this is bad, this is really cool, this is really good, but this looks more of a concept artist type of deal. So yeah, I would give this one more points. Okay. So we will
make a tutorial on how to draw a pose like this and others in the next video. Let me know what you guys think. Which one do you prefer? Okay, thank you.